What do you do for a living?
I'm a legal practitioner.
Yes.
What's your relationship with the fourth defendant?
I'm a consultant to the fourth defendant.
Yes.
On the 25th of October, 2023, you deposed to a witness statement on oath. If you see that process, will you recognize it?
Yes, of course. I will be able to recognize.
Please take a look at this process and confirm whether it's the witness statement on oath that you deposed to.
Yes, this is the witness statement I deposed to.
My Lord, may we humbly
No objection, Lord.
Yeah.
My Lord, we humbly tender that as the witnesses.
Well, if you want me to have it tendered, but in this court, because we all have the originals of this,
As the court
we
please.
hardly tender it.
As the court pleases.
Yes.
I was almost going to ask my Lord of the peculiar practice,
Yes.
whether I would just rely on the court's, the copy in the court's file.
Yes.
We're grateful.
Right.
My Lord, the evidence to be relied on by the witness is that which was deposed to on 25th of October 2023. We humbly rely on the court copy as the original of that evidence.
Okay. Yes.
The evidence in the process before the court, Mr. Ekwe, the evidence in the process before the court is your evidence in respect to this matter. Is that correct?
Of course, it is correct.
Is there any other thing you want the court to do for you?
I want the court to abide by the evidence I gave in this witness fourth witness statement of oath, for defendant's witness statement of oath.
Thank you.
As a true and true state of facts and evidence before this court.
Yes.
Lord, that's the examination in chief of the fourth defendant's witness.
Would that be all? That will be all.
Yes, my Lord. We're hopeful that he'll be cross-examined. Not sure if claimant's counsel will want cross-examine. Yes, my Lord.
Are you in a position to? Can you?
Well, my Lord, if my Lord doesn't mind, but for the sake of tidiness, if that happens today, we may shortchange the first or third defendant counsel. But if the court doesn't mind, we will.
Usually, when a defendant testifies, I guess the claimant's counsel cross-examines.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes.
Yes, my Lord. Only that in this case, you might be untidy in the absence of counsel.
The 1, 2, 3, the other defendants.
Yes, my Lord.
Okay, then. We've done the bit we can.
Then, my Lord, if on that basis, we'll be asking for costs against the first to third claimants defendants counsel at the cost of 500,000 naira, my lord.
500,000 between the three of them?
My lord, is just one, yes, between the three of them, but it's just one they have one counsel presenting this. So
Okay,
it's,
they have
it's going
one.
to be easier.
Okay. As it is, you can step down and go back to your seat. But please, they have not finished with you. On the next agenda, please make sure you're here. So that when they finish with you, of course, we'll let you go.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Hmm. 500. Oh.
Oh, my lord, if I may lay further foundation for the cost, just as my lord already noted, counsel, first to third defendant counsel did not deem it necessary to write any of the parties, not me, not my learned colleague, my learned senior colleague. I was hoping that maybe behind me he had written to the court, but evidently he didn't do that. And from the records of the court, we will see that this is an antecedent that has been perpetuated before by the same from the same parties as court pleases.
So the learned counsel to the first to third defendants is absent from court today, as is his witnesses. Counsel did not deem it necessary to write the court and explain away his absence. And that has taken the court up to 2 p.m. to, waiting for counsel to come to court. And the fourth defendant's counsel has taken his witnesses' evidence in chief, and the court had to adjourn for the first or the third defendants to cross-examine him. This is not to be condoned in this court, especially as this case is a 2015 case. And the Claimants Council has asked for a cost of 500,000 naira only from the first, second, and third defendants. The court hereby awards the Claimants Council the first the Claimants Council is awarded the sum of 50,000 naira from each of the three defendants that are absent from today. And this matter is now adjourned for cross-examination. Please give me a date.
Scott pleases.
Yes. Okay. How do you stand on that then?
May I humbly pray for an alternative date, my Lord? I have a conflict in my diary. I have a trial for October 9 and 10.
You say you want another date
Yes, my Lord.
in October?
Yes, my Lord.
Okay.
My Lord, it's very convenient. We're most grateful.
Okay. How about
A
you?
lot is convenience.
Okay. So this matter is now adjourned to the 15th day of October 2024 for definite cross-examination of the DW1 or for closure of SEM to the defendants.
As the court, please.
Yes.
My Lord, we're most grateful. And
Yes.
we also appreciate my Lord's indulgence today.
Well,
Fine.
we really have to do some of these things, but the court is not very happy that this council knows that this matter is really coming up today. And we all agreed, even as to the time. And he allowed us to wait for him for more than 1 hour. This is not good. So that is it.
We're grateful,
My Lord, is there an order as to time?
Since it is now regular,
Yes, my Lord.
it's no more it's not virtual again.
Yes, my Lord.
I guess we can, if you come early enough, I take you early enough.
As the court pleases.
Yes.
We're grateful.
Would that be all for today?
Yes, my Lord.
Okay. What?